Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You want to get to your app library now. Start by swiping left across home screens until you reach the app library page. This is faster than hunting folders. If swiping is awkward, pinch the home screen or long press an empty area and tap the app library icon. Once done, you can search apps or use categories. Make sure your device runs iOS 14 or newer, otherwise the app library won't exist, so update first if needed. Once inside the app library, you have several ways to find apps. Type the app name in the search bar at the top for immediate results, or tap a category folder to reveal grouped suggestions and frequently used apps. If you need a full list, tap the A to Z index or drag down to show alphabetical view. When you locate an app, long press its icon to access actions like add to home screen, delete app, or drag to organize. This saves time and reduces home screen clutter. Finish by customizing and resolving common issues. You cannot manually reorder categories, but you can restore individual apps by opening settings, selecting the app, and enabling show on home screen if available. If many apps are missing, go to Settings General Reset Home Screen Layout to return icons to default placements. If the app library is unresponsive, restart your device and install any pending iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.